What do you got here, Tyrone?
Yeah, well, mate, I've got the Wildernet 12-volt power supply. And what I really loved about getting into it today, getting it set up, is actually just how easy it is to set up.
Yeah.
I haven't had to make any alterations to my 12-volt system. I haven't had to worry about, do I need any parts at all? All I've done is plug this directly in, and it's kicked on straight away.
The good thing about that too is, though, if you didn't have an inverter in your car, you could literally just plug it in and away you go.
100%. I can use the existing cables that come inside the box with the Starlink itself, plug this straight into my SIG socket, it'll power up straight away.
Yeah,
So
awesome.
Keeps it really simple. Anything around my campsite here, everyone's going to have reception. No one needs to worry about black spots at all. Make sure that everyone's connected. But what about yourself? What have you got?
Mate, this is the battery kit, the power bank, little tripod.
Yep, awesome.
Pretty cool.
Oh,
It sets up like that, USB-C powered. You just plug it in with a standard USB-C port.
Yep.
If you need to charge your phone as well, you can just use it as that. You don't even need to plug your Starlink into it.
I can charge that off my 12-volt system as well, can I? From the
You can, mate.
USB-C.
Yeah,
Yep.
definitely. And then it's just a Starlink standard 30-volt plug it into your Starlink Mini, and away you go. The power for hours.
That'd be great on those campsites where my car is and next to where my swag is. And if I have to sort of travel away and set up sort of 15, 20 meters away from the car park and take that with me.
Perfect, mate. You don't even need a car. If you were backpacking around, or you just chuck it in your backpack and away you go. You're free. You got Starlink wherever you want it.
Yeah, excellent. I've got no excuses to not go.
Zero.